We believe design can change the world, so we changed the way you learn design. With a vision to make learning design accessible and affordable, we built ProApp, a digital design academy with 75+ bite-sized design courses created by design experts for fun and interactive learning. Amplify your design knowledge and skills with weekly workshops by design leaders. Seasoned professionals that drive globally renowned organizations will mentor you via one-on-one mentorship program, enabling you to ace interviews by reviewing your portfolio and designs, eventually helping you to excel in your career. Design is all about solving real problems. With 250+ design assignments for a hands-on experience, ProApp provides a medium to do that. With the power of design courses, workshops, mentorships, and challenges, it's time to get certified and get a step closer to attempting that dream job. Soon, you'll be able to avail Masterclass, our premium video courses, and access to job boards to apply for that dream job. So, what are you waiting for? Be a part of an interactive community of 200,000+ designers. Download ProApp to build and scale your career in design.